So today I'm going to show you how to do an instant deposit with Robinhood and how it pretty much all works out. So what we're going to do is actually load up the screen right over here so you can see everything happening in real time while we go through this. So I'm going to be on my phone here, and what we're going to be on is currently the main page of Robinhood. So this is pretty much, of course, what it looks like for everybody. And what we're going to do is going to go ahead and click on the right icon at the very bottom, and it's going to look kind of like a person icon. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to the settings page over here. Now what we're going to be doing is wanting to do an instant deposit. So what we had to figure out is, how does instant deposit all work out? So pretty much what it is you being able to transfer your money into Robinhood instantly, as far as having access to that money to be able to invest with right away, but it does still take a couple days to pull from your bank. So sometimes it can take 2 to 3 business days. So you got to make sure whatever amount you choose to pull out, you actually still have in your bank account, because it will still be pulling that money from there. Now what we're going to do is see where the balance is when it comes to how much you have in instant deposit, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to go through the process. So we're going to click up, I kind of went a little early there, where it says investing. It says balances, drip, and gold. So we're going to click in that section right over there, and it's going to take you right here, and this is what it looks like. We're going to be scrolling through here, right down here where you see instant deposit health. Right now so it shows good, which is awesome. So it says you have access to up to $1,000 of instant deposits. This means you can invest your deposits while your money is still on the way from the bank, just like we talked about. So you can see here that the limit currently is $1,000. I personally don't know any ways to increase that, but that is pretty much the limit that I've seen from most other users. And it says total pending deposits. Right now it's 20 bucks because I just did an instant deposit recently. And then the instant deposit used is $20 because I already had that money kind of in the works. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to actually go through the process of going through and doing an instant deposit. So if we go back to the main settings page over here, you can click on that person icon or the back button. Either way works. And then what we're going to do is go to transfers. So right over here, you're going to see the options to do your transfers, and it's pretty much similar to a regular transfer. So we're going to click on Robinhood, or transfer to Robinhood, I should say, at the very top there. And now it's going to show you how much would you like to have deposited from your bank account. And then you could choose whatever amount that you'd like. So if we did, let's say, $40 right over here, and then we're going to click on review, and what it's going to do is going to say the funds will be deducted from your bank account within the next several days. And if we go and click on submit right over here, it's going to tell you to go ahead and continue. It says please make sure to maintain a balance of $40 in your bank until funds are deducted to avoid any issues. Of course, this is like, going negative in your bank account, something you definitely don't want to do. So just keep clear of that. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue right over here. And then boom, you can see right here, it says invest instantly. It says while your money is on the way, we will give you early access to $40 in your buying power so you can invest right away. Your funds will be available to spend or withdraw once the transfer is complete on August 7th. So just going over what this means is that, let's say you transfer this 40 bucks and you changed your mind. Well, because that money is still getting pulled from your regular bank account, you can't actually transfer it back to the bank until it's officially into Robinhood. So something to keep in mind. If you want to backtrack, you can't really do that at this point, but hey, getting $40 instantly to invest can mean really good things for you if you are trying to get in at a good price point with different stocks. So we're going to go ahead and click on done. And you can see the value actually changed here in real time with how much is in my total account. So if we go back to the main page here, we're going to see our buying power now at $52.40, which before that it was $12.40. So that 40 bucks is already available for me to go through the process and start investing with. Now, if we want to go back to the settings menu and click on that invest button again. Now, if we scroll down to the instant deposit area again, you're going to see the total pending deposits is $60 now instead of the $20 that we saw earlier, because now we have that money moving in. So once that all clears through, that'll go back down to $0, and we can deposit up to $1,000 again for instant money access to be able to invest right into your account. Now, I want you to keep on learning more when it comes to Robinhood, so I want you to check out this video on things that you definitely want to make sure you avoid when it comes to utilizing the platform. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in the next video.